With this opportunity to study an University British Master Program, I see great transformation in my mindset and career. I see myself being more professional in taking business decisions. I see myself understanding various knowledge, various concepts, and various managerial concepts about business and ability to make rightful decisions concerning business. I see greater transformation in the area of my career, my capability. I see myself acquiring new skills. I see myself gaining a lot in terms of field research, in terms of innovations, and I see myself being able to transform as a leader. I see myself acquiring different kind of skills, analytical skills. I see myself contributing more in the area of commerce and trade in my community and society after studying this MBA program at the University of British Columbia. I see myself grow as a leader. I see myself performing better on my work after taking this MBA program. I see myself gaining good knowledge and understanding after taking this course. Thanks.